Hello everyone and welcome to a new video. In today's lesson we will see how the MATLAB working environment works. When we open MATLAB we will find something similar to this. As we can see, the working environment is divided into three main zones. The first area is this one here on the left, which shows the folder in which we are working. This window is very useful if we want to import a file, open another script or whatever. Then we have the command window. This one here is the most important. Here we can type anything we want MATLAB to do for us. For example, let's declare the variable a with a value of 5. As we can see, this variable has been declared here on the right in the workspace. This is where all the variables with which we are working appear. For example, if we declare another variable, for example the variable b with a value of 7, as we can see, here appears another variable b. Anyway, usually we will write our programs in a script in the editor. For this, we have to come here to New and create a new script. As you can see, an editor for our script has been opened. These scripts will be very useful if we want to make very long programs. In the command window, we can perform simple operations, but if our program is complex and we want to perform many more operations, the most useful is to use the editor in order to be able to edit our commands. That's all about the working environment. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave them in the comment box.